So now that I've got my painting, background is ready to go. It is looking good. So guys, I always use a reference photo or photos, simply because of the fact that you always need something to look at and reference. I think it's much needed as an artist if you want to grow as a better drawer or painter. Just have it in hand and look at it every single time you're trying to analyze a painting. And I'm going to show you how to paint clouds in my style by using my trusty dusty crappy brush. This is my go-to brush, as you can see. It's kind of liquidy. Ooh. This is the go-to brush, just simply because of the fact that it's been worn over time, and all I get is these little frays almost on it on the side. And I'm going to be using like a dry brush technique to get these cloud techniques with it, so you get this flowing sense of like a clouds that are like really wisping by, and it's beautiful looking. Building layers. I have this. It is a palette knife. People love to use them mostly to mix paint with. I like to use it right on the canvas. I will be using both, and I'm going to be mixing the painting with this and applying it, and then wiping it away with my old trusty dusty brush. So all those artists, don't get rid of your brushes, just keep them. So as you can see, what I'm doing is taking the paint and I am putting it on the palette knife, and then I'm putting it on and messing it around, creating a scrumbling effect, it's called. So I'm going to be scrumbling away and building some layers, and hopefully stuff comes out very dynamic and a bit of crazy. So yeah, keep watching. this right here is not working. I don't like it. The fact that the white and the blue, and I just had to scrape a bit off, and it was all like bleh. Anyways, started off cool, had a really cool layer of an underpainting, and it was just, I screwed it up. Yeah, just wasn't feeling it. Keep watching. I'm gonna change this bad boy up, and you're gonna see what it's gonna be like. So it's already looking way better than it was. I'm actually really excited and really happy about right now. So what I've been doing is just taking the brush and just molding it together, creating more of like an atmospheric perspective. We've got the clouds going, and it's looking way better. I'm actually happy with the scrumbling effect that I've been using. Now I'm gonna get into the bottom here and into the sea or the landscape pace. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet with it. Hopefully it's a seascape. I want to kind of keep molding the clouds and keep kind of forming them. I think the palette knife and the brush strokes, the hard brush strokes, are working. It's creating some depth now, where it was just looking so flat, and I didn't like that. Now what I want to do is kind of go in and create some more lighter and darker highlights in here. But I have to finish this area. The cool thing with this is it's probably gonna take another, couple more trials and errors to figure out what we're gonna do with it. So.
All right, I think I'm done. I think it looks unreal. Hands are crazy right now. Yeah, true oil painter. Always gets their hands ready. I'm loving the blues and the whites. Oh man, that's so sweet. Yeah, so I'll show you the details of this. Yeah, look at that. Oh man. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's pretty majestic. I don't think I've ever painted like a winter scene before. But yeah, this is kind of like the ice in the mountains of Alaska, and I wish you could see this in person. Not gonna lie. Yeah, thanks for watching. Again, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Love to hear back from you, so comment below. Like it if you like this video, and then I will see you later. And yeah, keep watching for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So, all right, later, guys.